Hello there, tech enthusiasts and digital nomads. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on all the latest in networking gear and connectivity solutions. Today, we're diving headfirst into something truly exciting. A device that promises to revolutionize the way you stay connected, whether you're on the road, at a remote cabin, or just looking for a robust and reliable home internet solution. I'm talking, of course, about the GL.iNet Spitzplus model GL-X2000, the 4G router. In this video, we're going to unbox this beast, explore its impressive features, and put it through its paces with some real-world speed tests. And I'll give you my honest thoughts on who this device is perfect for. So if you're ready to unlock unparalleled connectivity and take your mobile internet experience to the next level, stick around because we're getting started right now. So, GL.iNet sent this over to me free of charge, so just a full disclaimer, I haven't paid for this at all. Looking around the outside of the box here is very basic, gives us some of the features that we have on here. So 4G LTE Cat 12 module, comes with Wi-Fi 6 built in, AX3000 chip, it's got two 1 gigabit ports, also has VPN for client and server generation, OpenWRT pre-installed, supports up to dual SIM and multi-WAN. So this is packed full of features. And don't let the fact that it's 4G put you off. This baby is packing some serious power. So let's get into the unboxing. I always love the packaging on these types of devices. Almost feels like you're unboxing a phone or something. Come on. So in the box we've got our standard guides and warranty information. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Look at this. So we've got compartmentalization. Love it. So, okay, so this is where we've got all our antennae. Looks like something was supposed to be in there, but nothing in that one, just in this side. Okay, so these are our two Wi-Fi and two 4G LTE connectors. We've got the Spitz Plus itself. Oh, that's a beast. Look at that. Woo, look at that baby. We've got some sort of mounting bracket. So maybe, I don't know, to give a little gap on the wall or not leave markings maybe, not too sure. And then, we undo the whole thing. And we've got some, it's got to be the power brick, surely. Yeah, okay, so these are European, UK plug. American, yeah, okay. Alright, loving that. We've got ourselves an adapter. So I imagine it's one of the cases of simple as that. Got ourselves a free Ethernet cable. Love it when they throw these in the box. And we've got some mounting screws. So let's have a look at the star of the show. So on the front here, we've got some status lights. We've got power, internet, 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, cellular, and the GL.iNet logo. First thing off the bat I notice is there's a lot of ventilation on this thing. It's on all sides. USB 2.0 port, all the antennae connections, looks like SMA, WAN and LAN, reset, power adapter. We've got a compartment down here for our SIM cards. Okay, so this is in the way for a start. Oh, so we move that forward to get that off. And there's our two nano SIM slots. That's really handy. You can have two SIMs in here at the same time. Maybe you've got different connections, maybe while you're traveling around the globe, it saves you having to switch them out. So we've got some model information below here. And again, more ventilation, just ventilation galore. And we open our pack of antennae. So on the box itself, we've got, like I say, the two Wi-Fi. It's kind of mirrors on both sides. So we've got 4G, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, 4G. So we chuck the Wi-Fi connectors in here, and another Wi-Fi one here. And then we've got our 4G, so they're nice and snug. And then this is what our device looks like with all that attached. Not bad at all. And if I give a side-by-side comparison to my Archer, this is the Archer, the TP-Link Archer NX, and it's got two antennae on the back that I also connected. But even though the Archer is 5G, Obviously, it's targeted more to those at home, even though I do use it in a portable setting. Archer is bloody huge in comparison to the Spitz Plus, even with the antennae. Pair the NX200 up with my Slate 7, because this is the Slate 7. It obviously doesn't have any 4G or 5G connectivity, hence why I pair this up with other devices. But they both run the GL.iNet firmware, and that's the size difference between the Slate 7. So, I mean, look at that. It just fits right on top of that. You can see the size difference there. Now, at work, about 100 meters away from the Vodafone mast, I'm getting about 250 megabits per second through this 4G router, and I was getting double that with the same SIM card in my S23 Ultra at about 560. So you can see, you know, on my EE SIM card I was getting about 30, but that I believe is not more of a network performance issue when compared to who owns the mast of the network. So yeah, we're getting roughly a nice kick of about 250 megabits down. The upload naturally in the United Kingdom is a bit whack. You don't very often find symmetric speeds here. And we're getting about 1850 up. And finally, we're going to test the WireGuard speeds on the Spitz Plus, and I've linked this up to a Flint 3, so it's got as much possible throughput as possible. We're testing this over a local WireGuard configuration on gigabit Ethernet lines, so we can get a true representation of those speeds. Bearing in mind, WireGuard speeds on the Spitz Plus only go up to 190 megabits per second, absolute maximum throughput. So as you can see, we run an iPerf test over 10.0.0.1, which is the WireGuard link, and that's pulling on average between 175 and 194 megabits per second, which is the absolute maximum throughput that I could achieve through this line. And I did the test in both directions, so host from Flint 3 and then host as Spitz Plus, and you can see there's very subtle differences in that, but just usually down to the processing power of the devices, and they were on for some time when I tested this, so they were quite hot. And just to give some clarity, host in the definition I'm using it here is the device using the WireGuard as server, and client is naturally the WireGuard client side. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.